So viewers, our Scotch bonnet pepper, it has dry. You can hear the sound of it. It has dry. You see the way we process it. So if you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. Okay. Hello viewers, thank you for joining us today. I'm going to show you how I preserve my Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, so this is my Scotch bonnet pepper. As you see, this is Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to show you how I preserve it for a long period. It can last to 1 year, so I'm going to show you. This is the water I'm boiling. Put it inside hot water. So dry season is coming, so pepper will soon go. So that the maggot will not affect the pepper. That is why we are doing it like this. It will weaken the pepper small. I need some green pepper. So this is our pepper. So as you see, we are using sun to dry it. See. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. As you see the sun is coming out. Gradually it will be drying small. Thank you so much. So this is the green pepper, the one we select out of the pepper. So we are going to use this to prepare delicious food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Evelyn, dear love for share for one. I'll come and carry you. Number, dear Sean, dear four. So viewers, our Scotch bonnet pepper, it has dry. You can hear the sound of it. It has dry. You see the way we process it. So if you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. Okay, so you can use this to prepare different kind of food. So if you want us to make it into powder, we'll process it. So we have price for one jar, and we have price for the one Ziploc bag. Okay, so we will remove the stick out of it. So if you want us to process it for you, contact our WhatsApp number. So thank you so much for watching. This is our Scotch bonnet pepper. It's hot too. And we have other peppers too if you want us to get it for you. Okay. Leah lè mọ ibi tí ata hot yẹn wà. Ó wà nínú basket. Yes. So we have other Nigeria folk stuff. So currently now we don't have snail. Okay, so we are in a dry season here. So if you want us to process some Nigeria food for you, we can process it. Thank you so much for watching. So we'll remove the stick. I just show you the example of how we package it, and we'll remove the stick out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.